put this on schedule.
So, let me explain my new evil scheme. A while back, my doctor put me on a low-carb diet, but I still can't lose those last 10 pounds. Every time I get close to my goal, there's this knocking at the door. Who is it?
Fireside Girls. Would you like to buy some of our cupcakes?
Cupcakes, you say? I really shouldn't. I should get back to my exercise. I'm almost down to my goal.
Oh, we understand. Have a nice...
All right, you talk me into it.
Thanks.
So, with my weakness for high-carb sweets, there's really no other choice but to get rid of the bridge to the Fireside Cupcake Factory. And my metal destructinator can turn any metal object into broccoli. I know what you're thinking. Why broccoli? But, you know, it's healthy. It's like the opposite of what I'm trying to get. It's poetic justice. It's not justice exactly. Poetic evil is poetically evil. Now,